Yo, fam. What up? So, it's Forza Motories tomorrow. I don't know why I'm telling you that because I don't really care. It has no relevance to this video. But, I was about to polish some headlights on Jess's car. We'll do like a headlight polish, restoration-y type thingamabob. Restore, whatever you want to call it, thing. Right. And I was like, hey, it'd be silly not to video this because you guys might want to see. Here's my kit. You see that? Headlight restorer. So basically, this is like a headlight re-clear kit. You sand your headlights, you wipe them down, you re-clear them. They come out better. I don't know if this is going to work very well on the S15. I've done it at work, it works pretty good. I assume it's going to work pretty good here. So I'm going to show you the steps. I'm going to show you how to do it. Because you guys might have yellow headlights on your S15 and you might want to clean them up. So here we are. Side note. I've been prepping these AVSs for some skiddy boys this year. I want to try to get on the track. I want to try to do a little bit of drifting with Dan and Will and all that kind of thing. Make some content for you guys because I think you guys are getting a little bit bored of the vlog stuff. Just a little bit. When I don't do any driving. And I don't want to spend too much more money building more cars right now. I want to save a little bit of money again, and I think making some driving content would be better than making some boring videos that you guys don't want to watch. So stay tuned to that. As soon as my car gets back from Ethan's, we'll take it easy for like 1 week, probably, knowing me, and then we'll start looking for some drifting events, some sliding events, some skidding events or whatever, and start doing some actual driving. Anyway, let's get into the steps. So basically, you're supposed to use 3000 and then 5000 wet sand, wipe your headlights, and then clean them down, blah 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 blah. One step that I added to this just because it's Jess's car and I'll make sure it's mint, as I've actually masked off this piece here. So I'm going to do that on the other side with some masking tape. And I've only got 5000, so we're just going to 5000 this. And then yeah, I'll show you all that anyway. So as you guys just watched, really fast forwarded, I just taped up the side of the car all around the headlight and stuff like that, just because I'm going to be doing a little bit of sanding. I don't really want to stuff up her paint. I know it's only 5000, it's not going to do much, but it'll still do something. And also, this kit has chemicals in it, because I mean, it's making your headlights look good, it's cleaning old shit off, putting new shit on. So yeah, basically, it says, clean the headlight free of bugs. So if you got bug or wax and grease and tar remover or whatever, do that. Apply the first aid cleaning wipe to the entire lens. Use a rag to catch the runoff. See, runoff probably means that it's got something that'll wreck the paint. Completely dry the lens with a drying cloth provided. Remove any excess from the vehicle paintwork if needed. Take the clear coat wipe and wipe it across the lens from end to end in the same direction using full coverage of the lens. Allow 30 to 60 minutes for the product to cure. Do not wash or wet for at least 24 hours. That's what it says. Sorry if that was a bit I was trying to read that at the same time, as you know. But yeah, so that's why I taped up, just to kind of stop that runoff and getting any sort of excess anywhere that I don't want it. So now I'm going to fill up a bucket of water and get my 5000 sandpaper and give these a light scuff, I guess, and we'll go from there. Yeah, that'll do. $5,000. So I really hope this works because damn, look how opaque that's gone now. So you guys just saw me sand that side, obviously just wet that wet 5000 sandpaper just over the whole headlight. Make sure you get everywhere that you want to be fixing. Dried it down straight away with my microfiber just to make sure that it's nice and clean. So I'm going to jump over to the other side now. Then we use our A cleaning wipe, wipe it off, and then our B cleaning wipe. So our B clearing wipe, I should say. So I'll show you that process as well. But first I'm just going to go stand this other side real quick. So this is what you got in the kit. You've got a drying cloth. I'm not going to use that, I got microfiber. This is your clear coat. This is your cleaning wipes. So you get 2 cleaning wipes, I'm assuming one for each headlight. Then we got our gloves. I've already got one on. The shit's pretty potent, it smells when you take it out of the packet. You guys will smell it if you end up buying this auto serve workshop consumables Pro Clear headlight John. But yeah, here's our stuff. So first we wipe them down now that we've sanded them. Wipe them down, dry them off, clear them. So I'll wipe them down and then we'll clear it, and we'll show you the whole magic. So we just got our cleaning wipe. Oh, it's quite slippery when you got the glove on. Clean them down. Oh, she's looking good. If she comes up this clear, we'll be away laughing, boys. Away laughing, I tell you. So we'll clean them up. Nice and clean. Oh, should be right. Clean them up. Clean them up. Nice and good. Nice and good. Let's put this up here like that. Dry off any excess as soon as possible. Get this nice and clean. And jump on to the next one. Hopefully these come up pretty primo for Jess, because the yellow headlights is not ideal. I think they stand out way more on this white car for some reason, so hopefully it comes up pretty mint. So now we don't need this. Go over here, chuck them in the bin. So now we got this shit. So I've been let it sit for a wee bit just so it'll dry off. So we'll chuck this clear stuff on, eh? This shit's potent as, so yeah, wear your gloves. But basically, we just want to follow the shape of the light, get all the edges, doesn't really matter, we got our tape down, cover it all. And this stuff's kind of good, it just kind of smooths itself out, so don't worry too much about getting a run or anything, because you probably won't. And then right up to the edges. And just like, oh, I don't even know if I was videoing that, but there you go, there's one side. And then we'll jump over to the other side real quick. Oh shit, did I miss a bit? No, there we go. Don't want to miss a bit. And here's the other side, you can see it's all opaque and yuck. Nice and clear. Opaque and yuck. Nice and clear. So we'll finish this side up, flip her over. Make sure I get all the corners, all the edges. Fuck, I'm real bad at not watching through the camera while I'm trying to do this. Sorry guys. And just wipe it everywhere. Get this all over the headlight so it's nice and clear. Just like so. 2 headlights re-cleared. That looks fucking good, hopefully it stays like that. Also check out Jess's new plate. Again, throw this in the bin. If you have more than one car that needs this doing, I suggest you just do it on heaps of them. Like if I was really nice, I'd do this on Katie's car, she's the sisters right now, but I can't be fucked. Because look how yellow they are. They're yuck. And look how good that looks. But I can get this to work, so I'll just get another kit if Katie ever wants to pay for it. So, peace. In the bin. Anyway, hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, drop a like. If you didn't, comment, say why it wasn't helpful. And we'll catch you in the next video.